In Vancouver, a boy named Liam worked at a bicycle repair shop. Every day, he fixed broken chains and rusty wheels,
You'll
but
never
secretly dreamed of
invent
designing
anything
his
new.
own bike. People laughed, saying, "You'll never invent anything new." Late at night, Liam sketched designs on scrap cardboard. One day, he built a prototype using recycled parts. A local cyclist tried it, filmed the ride, and shared it online. Within days, Liam's creation spread across Canada. Soon, a company offered him a chance to design professionally. Standing beside his first branded bike, Liam said, "I didn't succeed because I had the best tools. I succeeded because I kept building, even when no one believed." Lesson: success isn't about resources. It's about persistence, creativity, and refusing to quit.